here with Ryan's Remodeling again, showing you how we're going to take this awful as in difficult backsplash off of this kitchen wall. This has been put on with thin set. This was not put on with your standard adhesive. This is really aggressive, to put it mildly. So what we have to do here, we don't really have a choice. We're just going to go ahead and cut all the wallboard. You see I made a clean line here. I scribed a line with my pencil on a level. And then what I did is I just etched it a few times with my razor blade. Going back to my jab saw, just kind of taking the slow road here. We don't have a whole lot of this kitchen open, and we're trying to be careful because the customer, in a very unique scenario, decided after her new countertops came in that the backsplash wasn't appropriate anymore. She just wants to do backsplash. And normally, you would demo the old countertops and the backsplash together. That's pretty standard. But in this scenario, we're doing it after the fact because decisions get made by homeowners as we go. It's very common, and we're okay with that. So what we're going to do is just show off our ability to be surgical about this and take it off very carefully. So we're going to finish cutting this line, get a separation here, puncture this wall, and then we're kind of hoping this pulls off altogether. And then what we can do is, once that's off, we can inspect the situation, clean up the 2x, clean up the rubble line up here where all of this old grout and thin set touched the other fixtures and the cabinets. And then we'll go from there. And what we'll end up having to do is put in new backer board in the form of, just green mold resistant sheetrock like you would do in a kitchen or a bathroom. And then we'll have our tile setter come in and put the new glass backsplash in it's going to match this countertop beautifully and make this Cambria look even better than it does already. So that's the program today. I'll touch base with you guys again here and show you the finished product, and maybe pop in another video on the middle of the project as well when we've got the wallboard back up. So thanks for watching.